morning, guys. It's day 4 in Mexico, and in the morning this place is a dream. It's like so quiet, all the birds are singing, and yeah, it's my favorite corner because of those yellow chairs. Those yellow chairs are just amazing. I am in the kitchen making coffee. It's done now. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit while I drink my coffee, which is one thing that I crave in New York, is having a backyard in the summertime where you can just go have coffee on the balcony in the morning. So I'm just taking advantage whilst I'm here. And that's why when I buy my house, I want a backyard, and I also want to have a balcony from my bedroom. So in the morning, you know, when I wake up, we could just go out and, you know, sit, have coffee or have tea, since I don't really drink coffee anymore on a regular basis. But when I travel, I drink it every day, or I drink it on the weekend, but during the week I stick to tea. So yeah, the birds are singing. Yeah, no copyright. Leaving it to Monroe to always pick the perfect places for vacation. She just gets it. She's the best when it comes to planning and picking out like the perfect locations. So very grateful to have a travel partner like that. Well, guys, I am dressed now. We're about to head over for breakfast. It's about 9:50, and it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Bye, pool. Going to miss you. Bye, Charles. Going to miss you so much. And yeah, there's a no makeup calendar. I learned my lesson from yesterday. I was melting. So I live tomorrow 1:01. My flight is at 1, so probably gonna leave around 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Going to miss this beautiful place. Saying my goodbye. Going to miss you. Bye-bye. So this is what the little house looks like over here. This is where we're staying. Kaya 16. There's a big house over there. So Alex recommended this place for us for breakfast. It's so cute. So we are here at Del Cielo. It's so cute. I love the vibe here. It's very chill. A lot of greens. Very bloggerish. Stop. Very bloggerish. And yeah, just sitting here going to have some food. I can't wait. Starving. So yeah. Our food is here, guys. I had the yummiest smoothie with got huevos rancheros, Super Bowl. So good. No pork? I guess not. Here.
So here's our food. I got the huevo ranchero. This is like a elixir energy drink with honey and mint and something else. It's pretty good. This is a Super Bowl. Fruits and all kinds of delicious. Rose got a
We're waiting for forks. Checking into our next place, guys. How beautiful! Oh my god! I was just checked into the loveliest house. How beautiful. Got the kitchen over there, the master suite. And we've got the other bedroom over here where I'll be staying. Got the tree. They have a little pond. It's so cute. Got the kitchen. This is a minimalist dream. Look how simple everything looks. This is the bathroom, shower. I love this. It's our home. I love this. Look. God, I am getting so many ideas for my summer house. It's crazy. Oh my God, my summer house is going to be like Mexican and Moroccan theme combined. I feel like that's like the perfect combination. Look at these little chairs and this little pond over here. Cute. This is a nice place to have a party at night. This is the kitchen and living room. I mean dining room. You have the dining room area here. Beautiful kitchen. Again, very simple. I just love how minimal everything is. Loving it. This is me in the mirror. We're gonna go to the Gran Cenote. So it's lit. Some swimming. Here's my outfit. My prints are actually falling off because I lost so much weight. I'm about to put my lipstick on. We're headed to the Gran Cenote and I am so excited. I think I should do red. What do you guys think? Guys, how cute is this little house over here? We're headed to the cenote now. So this zone is a slow speed, slow food, slow sex. So get with the program. You're here, guys. Here's a cenote. People are snorkeling. It looks so beautiful. I said I didn't want to swim, but I may have to do some swimming because it's so gorgeous. It's like $10 American, US dollars to get in, 180 their money. So it's pretty cheap. Hello guys, and our bathing suit, white matching. We're doing some swimming in the Gran Cenote. Beautiful. As you can see, water is super blue. Nature really is the best artist. Look at that. So beautiful. I love it.
I kind of want to turn to the other side. We have all this shit.
Go. Hello guys, here's my outfit for tonight. We are going out to dinner and I'm wearing all white. And you can see the sun is just blessing me. The only downside, we don't have a full length mirror, so we can't really see ourselves. But this is what I'm wearing. And I am starving. Oh, the light is really good here. I'm wearing Hariba by Colourpop. I like it. And I didn't even bring a lip liner. I'm usually like really keen on lining my lips, but hey, I'm just gonna do this just like that with not even lining my lips. Manuel leaves tomorrow. Well, Thursday, not tomorrow. Gosh, it feels like we've been here for so long. And not for so long. So, we're on the hunt for the best taco. I've been a little disappointed since the last 2 places we've tried was not that good. So, this place better be the best taco ever. So, whenever I Google best taco Tulum, it pops up. So, hopefully it's good. But Mateo's did come up also in Google search as the best taco, fish tacos. So, we'll see. Wearing all white, looking like an angel today.
An angel.
And Manuel in all black, looking like a goddess that she is.
Thank you.
So, look at the guys, check out her dress. Until you see the back. Baby got back. Hey. I love that bangle. It's so cute. I love it.
Papaya.
Hey. So we're gonna eat. We'll see you guys when we get there. Finally made it here.
That's Jose Taxi.
Finally going into Eufemia. I've been trying to come to this place for like 3 times now, and finally made it. Oh, it sounds like it's a party. Oh my. Oh, coconut. Been saying you wanted the coconut.
I'm so glad I wore.
So it's popping here. I think this might be the place.
It must be because everybody is here.
It's here, yeah. So far it's looking like it's a Z place.
Tried to been sold weed too. I mean,
Yeah.
there's nothing wrong with that. It smells extra weedish over here.
And I'm having 2 margarita by myself.
The margarita.
Tacos are here. I've got fish, shrimp, and octopus because you know I love octopus. And I'm drinking 2 margaritas because, hey, what else is new?
Thank
Ooh.
you. Ceviche.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we're going to head.
Look at the beach in La Taqueria, Eufemia. We're just done eating dinner. We're gonna go for some gelato now, and the beach is just beautiful. Look at this water. So gorgeous. I miss it so much. Woo! Catch me if you can. If you have not been to Tulum, you have to come here. Gorgeous, it's beautiful. It reminds me of home Haiti so much. So the lighting is just amazing. Guys, guess where we are now? Posada Margarita. We're back for some gelato. I am full. The only thing else I could eat right now is some ceviche from Mateo's. But even then, I think I'm way too full for that. I can't wait to have some gelato. Last night here. I'm going to miss this place so much. It's so cute. Jose is here, our friend, our lovely friend, came to pick us up to go home tonight. So hello. I'm back in my house now, guys, and Manuel's back in hers over there, but I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna go sleep over there because I don't want to sleep by myself. So I'm gonna listen to The Weeknd while I take a shower. So